everyone, and welcome back to English Talk Studio, where speaking English is easy, calm, and there is absolutely no pressure at all. I'm Lucy.
Hi, everyone. Hello, Lucy. It's so nice to be here with you today, as always.
Hi, Tom. You look really calm and relaxed today. Is it because our topic is all about staying calm?
Yeah, maybe. I always feel good when we talk about things that help people feel less worried about English. It's like, you know, we're all in this together. How about you, Lucy? How are you feeling right now?
Oh, I'm doing well, thanks. A bit excited, actually, but in a quiet way. I love these topics because so many listeners write to us about them. You know, they say, I know the words, but when it's my turn, nothing comes out. How's your day been so far?
Pretty relaxed, honestly. I had a slow morning, drank some tea, read a little. Nothing rushed. But before we start talking about the topic, we should say hello properly to everyone listening. And, remind them of something important, right?
Oh, yes, you're right, Tom. Everyone, if you're enjoying this podcast and it helps you feel a little calmer about English, please click the like button right now. It really means a lot to us and helps other people find the channel.
And please, subscribe to English Talk Studio and turn on notifications. We want to keep making these long, gentle episodes for you. No rush, just calm practice.
Yes, and if you have a friend or classmate who gets nervous speaking English, share this episode with them. They might feel better knowing they're not alone.
Exactly. Sharing is caring, and it helps the community grow.
It really does. Okay, so Tom, let's talk about today's topic. It's how to start speaking English when your mind goes blank.
Yes, that moment. You know the one. Someone asks you a simple question like, "How are you?" or "What do you do?" And suddenly, your brain just stops. Blank, nothing.
Exactly. The words you practiced yesterday, gone. Your heart starts beating faster. You feel hot, and you think, oh no, everyone is waiting.
Yeah, it's so common. I remember when I was learning another language, same thing happened to me. Even now, sometimes in English, if I'm tired or surprised, um, blank.
Me too. It's normal, completely normal. The brain freezes because of pressure or fear of mistakes. But today, we're going to practice ways to unfreeze it. Slowly, gently, no pressure.
Yes, no rush. We'll go step by step. Breathe together. Try small things. And remember, starting is the win, not perfect speaking.
Perfect. So, let's start with understanding why it happens. Why does the mind go blank?
Good question. Usually, it's stress. The body goes into fight or flight. Like, danger! But speaking English isn't danger.
True. But the brain thinks mistake equals bad, so it shuts down to protect you.
Exactly. Or overthinking. What is the perfect sentence? Instead of just starting.
Yes. Or translating from your language and getting stuck.
All normal. So, first tip, accept it happens to everyone. Even native speakers pause sometimes.
Yes, native speakers say a lot too. It's human.
So, let's practice the first step. When blank happens, breathe.
Yes. Slow breath in. Hold. Slow breath out. It tells the brain safe.
Let's do it together. Everyone listening, breathe in. 1, 2, 3, 4. Hold. 1, 2. Out. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Feel better already?
Yes. Now, second step. Use fillers. Small sounds to buy time.
Like, let me think. Well,
Exactly. They sound natural, not wrong.
let's try. Tom, ask me, what did you do yesterday?
Sure. Lucy, what did you do yesterday?
Let me think. Yesterday, I woke up early. Then I had breakfast and went for a walk. It was nice.
Great. You used and let me think. Sounded normal. No rush.
Your turn. Tom, what do you do in the evening?
Oh, good one. Well, in the evening, I usually make dinner, then read or watch something light. Nothing heavy.
Perfect. Natural pauses. Listeners, pause the podcast now. Answer the question yourself. What do you do in the evening? Say it out loud. Slowly. Use if you need.
Yes, your turn. No one is watching. Just practice.
We'll wait.
Okay, another common situation. Class introduction. Teacher says, "Tell us about yourself."
Scary for many. Everyone listening.
But start small. Hi, my name is... Pause. Breathe.
Let's role play a big class.
Okay, I'm the teacher. Class, please introduce yourself. Start with Lucy.
um, Hi everyone. My name is Lucy. I come from the city and I like drawing and reading. Nice to meet you.
Good. Short, calm. Now, a classmate asks, "What do you draw?"
Oh, let me think. I draw nature, like trees, flowers, and sometimes people.
See? You continued, even with pause.
Felt safe. Now you be the student.
Hi, class. Um, my name is Tom. I, uh, live here. And I enjoy music and sports. Thank you.
Nice. Honest pauses. Everyone, try it. Say, hi, my name is, out loud now.
Yes. Pause if blank. It's okay.
Another situation, talking to a friend. They ask, how was your weekend?
Common, but sometimes blank.
Yes, let's practice.
Hey, Lucy, how was your weekend?
Oh, it was good. I stayed home mostly, relaxed, read a book, and cooked something nice. How about yours?
Good. You turned it back. Smart when blank.
Yes, asking back gives time.
My turn. Lucy, how was your weekend? Well, let me think. It was quiet. I went for a walk on Saturday, then watched a movie. Nothing special, but nice.
Perfect. Natural.
Now, online call, Zoom class or meeting. Microphone on, blank.
Extra scary. Can't see faces sometimes.
But same. Check sound first. Buys time.
Let's practice. You start the meeting.
Okay, everyone, let's go around. Lucy, introduce yourself.
Hi, all. Can you hear me okay? Um, my name is Lucy. I'm, joining from home. I work as a designer, and I'm here to practice English. Nice to meet you.
Good. Can you hear me is useful filler.
Yes, your turn.
Hello, team. Audio good? I'm Tom. I work in sales and excited to be here. Thanks.
Professional, but natural.
Another one. Job interview. Tell me about yourself,
Big one. Many freeze.
but prepare simple structure. Name, experience, why here.
Let's roleplay.
Good morning, Lucy. Tell me about yourself.
Good morning. Thank you. My name is Lucy. I, have 3 years experience in marketing. I enjoy creative work, and I'm interested in this role because your company does innovative projects.
Strong, but continued.
Thanks. Felt less scary.
Yes. Tip. Have 3 to 4 points ready in mind.
Like bullet points, not full speech.
Exactly. Now, party or social meetup. What do you do for fun?
Casual, but blank happens.
Hi, what do you do for fun?
Oh, let me think. I, uh, like reading books and going for walks. What about you?
Good. Short. Asked back.
Your turn.
Hey, what do you do for fun? Well, I play guitar sometimes and watch football. Simple things.
Nice. Real.
One more. Language exchange. Partner asks open question.
Tell me about your family.
Common, personal. Sure. I have one sister. She's younger, studies music, and my parents are retired now. Nice family.
Calm. Good.
Now, deeper tip. Ready phrases.
Yes. Like, sorry, my mind is blank. Can you repeat?
Or give me a second.
I'm thinking.
All by time. No shame.
Practice them. Say now. Um, let me think. Let me think.
Let me think.
Good. Again, one moment, please.
One moment, please.
Feel ready?
Yes, another when really stuck. Change subject gently.
Oh, that's hard to explain. What about you?
Smart. Turns pressure off.
Or, I need simple words for that.
Humor helps.
Yes, laugh at blank. My brain is sleeping today.
Good one.
Now, long role play. Imagine big online class, 20 people.
Okay. Teacher. Everyone, say one thing about your day.
Starts with me. Um, Hi. Today, I woke up late, drank coffee, and listened to podcast. Simple day.
Good. Next student. Well, my day was busy. I, worked, then relaxed with music.
Natural. Listeners, your turn. Say one thing about your day.
Pause podcast. Speak out loud.
We'll wait.
Okay, another scenario. Friend calls. What's new?
What's new with you?
Oh, not much. Just, same routine. Work, home, relax. You?
Short. Fine.
Or add, thinking nothing exciting.
Honest good.
Now, when blank in writing too. Like chat.
Similar. Type ... or typing.
But speaking harder.
Yes.
Tip. Record yourself answering common questions.
Alone. No pressure. Play back, see progress.
Good habit.
Or shadow us. Repeat after we speak.
Yes. In this episode, repeat sentences.
Let me think. My name is...
Let me think. My name is Tom.
Your turn.
Now, recap time.
Yes. What we learned. Breathe slow. Use fillers. Let me think. Well, start small. One word, one sentence. Pause, okay. Ready phrases. Can you repeat? One moment. Ask back question. Accept blank normal. Practice alone. Humor helps.
And no pressure. Progress slow, okay.
Yes. You brave for trying.
English learners. Comment. When mind blank, what you do, or share story.
When blank, I breathe and say
We read all. Love stories.
If helped, like, subscribe, English Talk Studio, share.
Thank you. Listening long.
Gentle practice. Take care.
See you next time.
Bye-bye.